What if curtains disappeared?
Oh no! Now where will I play hide and seek?
Oh, some. Firstly, if curtains disappeared, people who just purchased expensive curtains will be the saddest of the lot. Secondly, if curtains disappeared, some people may start using innovative solutions to solve the curtain disappearing problem. Thirdly, if curtains disappeared, glass makers may start manufacturing opaque glass to solve the curtain disappearing problem. Fourthly, if curtains disappeared, interior decorators will have a tough job figuring out how to make the house look pretty again. Lastly, if curtains disappeared, some people may start blocking or completely removing windows from their homes. On the flip side, if curtains disappeared, people may start getting much needed sunlight inside their homes.